Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share the work that MPX Auto finished in Toyota Prado 150 series Kakadu, and this one is Kakadu 2011 model, which is the generation 2009-2013. You know that the Kakadu has all the features that include here: steering wheel control, camera, steering wheel button control for surrounding camera, factory sat-nav LCD screen before, and multimedia screen, CD player and DVD player, and DVD map navigation module under passenger seat, factory amplifier under the driver seat, premium sound setup, and the roof DVD player. So at this moment we built in the 9-inch quad LED premium model that has everything perfectly fit in the place, like from the car before. And this one comes with so much of the thing: wireless Apple CarPlay that you can see in another video in our channel, wireless Android Auto like what you see from here, and it's very responsive, very smooth, very easy to control, and very fast and straightforward. And this one, wireless Android Auto with our phone running next to the system. And this one retain all the factory feature from the steering, retaining the factory feature on the button here. You can press the button and it show the camera, and you can change the camera by pressing this button, just like the factory setup. And you can reverse and the camera starts showing like this, and it's still showing all the information just like when you were with the factory screen before, but it has so much more than what it was. And you can communicate by voice with the Siri by the Apple CarPlay, and by Google by the Google Play. And two things: the system has built-in very strong amplifier from the head unit by itself, so combining with the factory head unit and factory amplifier and premium sound, at this moment the sound is much nicer to use and listen to music inside the car. And the second important thing we want to tell is about this one. So when you press the hard button for the air conditioner control, now you actually can see that, on the screen here you can see all the options, and you can touch the screen to control them. And basically that's all it can help you to get the control of the full air conditioner control, climate control on your screen. You can touch and press those buttons over here to control it, but also you can simply go into the head unit screen and call out this panel and start controlling the climate control. That's so easy and convenient, and very beautiful on the screen. And CD player is still working there, radio still working there, but in this case we swap and relocate the antenna from the bottom to the top, so we can start using the AM FM radio from the top. Very easy, and nice sound quality for the radio. And USB, we get in one new nice USB over here. We get in another USB in the glove box, and the roof DVDs, if you still have the remote control, you still can use the roof DVD independently, with the new system, and it's still working. So everything in the car was working, and currently everything new like this integrate and is working very nice, into the car. So that's exactly what we want to have and fit for the Toyota Prado Kakadu. And so again, this Kakadu 2011, and with the wireless Android Auto, this system has so much more than the previous factory setup. Something about Wi-Fi internet, about wireless, and about 4G SIM card internet ready as well, built-in GPS, internal hard disks, USB port, and it supports everything from the factory. Once again, Kakadu 2011. Thank you, and we'll see you then.